Hello. Welcome to our podcast. Today is a special day. We are going to introduce ourselves. My name is Ed. I am your host on this journey. I love quiet mornings and a warm cup of coffee. And this is my best friend. He is my companion.
A very wise companion.
His name is Eddy. He is a Dachshund. Some people call them sausage dogs.
I prefer a dog of distinguished length.
Eddy is very calm. He is a great listener. He has short brown fur and very expressive eyes.
They have seen many things. Mostly the world from down here.
Together, we created this podcast. We wanted to make something different. A slow and relaxing way to learn English.
Because learning should feel good.
In our episodes, we will tell stories. We will talk about everyday life. The goal is for you to listen and to repeat the sentences. This is called
It is like singing along to a song, but with our voices.
Exactly. Now let's practice with an introduction. When I meet someone, I can say, "Pleased to meet you." This is a little formal. It is very polite.
For very important meetings, like meeting the person with the treats.
A more common phrase is, "Nice to meet you." It is friendly and warm. You can use it with new friends.
All friends start as new friends.
So, from both of us, it is very nice to meet you. We are happy you are here. This is the beginning of our journey together.
A calm and steady journey.
Thank you for listening. We will see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, new friend. Stay curious.